Hello again, welcome back. It was very busy out on the water last weekend. The water levels had gone down again, resulting in more boats able to get under Ludham Bridge. There were also a couple of boats that got a bit too close to each other, plus a couple of cruisers asked for the assistance of the boatyard crew to get them under the bridge. Lots of lovely boats were going past, including Jamie Oliver's. Can you guess which one it is? So let's have a look and see what else I spotted going past. Happy 60th birthday to whoever's birthday it is on the dayboat going past. Thank you to everyone who came over and said hello to me. Even in the rain on Saturday, you still stood and chatted. Sometimes I spot people who are not sure whether it's the right thing to come over and say hello or not. I did see you though. Hello to you both. Another celebration going past. I wonder if that's another birthday on that dayboat. The ducks are being fed, so they're all jumping onto the side of the cruiser, waiting for their turn. That's the Broads Authority boat, the electric eel from How Hill. This is one of the cruisers I spotted, having helped to get under the bridge. Closely followed by this one too. It's just started to rain. But do you remember all the ducks being fed earlier? Well, one of the ducks is hitching a ride. The people have just left the mooring and look, it's remained on the cruiser. Those of you who have followed my channel for a while will know that if ever I spot anything wrong when I'm out, if I include it in a video, usually it gets repaired. So here you are, look, the bridge marker sign. The metal sign is coming away from the plank of wood that it was attached to. And while I'm here at the bridge, look, all that white is where the bridge has been scraped by various cruisers over the last few weeks, months, years. When you next walk over the bridge, you'll see these poppies. I'm not quite sure how they've survived, but they have, and they're flourishing and doing really well. The closer this cruiser gets to the bridge, the more I think it's not going to fit underneath it. Just look how close that is. Oh my goodness. tide is presently very strong here, this side of the bridge, but the ducks have worked out if they get out of the river, they can walk under the bridge without any problem at all, rather than staying in the water and keep getting pushed back and back. How clever are they? I know I don't go live very often, as the signal around the Broads area isn't strong enough really to go live. If and when I am, or I do, I usually have my friend Judith with me. As you will know, all of those who join will know she's usually about. Tomorrow she's hosting a party for her husband's birthday. She holds the best parties ever. She really does. Guess who's got herself an invite? I'm so excited. Honestly, it's great. She does really do the best parties. I'll try and take a couple of photos while I'm there without anybody noticing. I'm pretty safe telling you all this, as while I'm making this video, she's out in her garden getting everything ready for tomorrow. So I just knocked on my window actually to try and get her attention. But the traffic's going past on the main road, so she didn't hear me. And she's far too busy to watch this video before tomorrow. She and I have been friends for almost 50 years. How many people can say that? And she lives near me, but I never see her. I only see her when we're out somewhere. No, I don't go to hers. She sometimes comes to mine. Anyway, enough of that. I'll try and get some photos and I'll show you next week. we've gone from one extreme to the other this weekend. The dark clouds of yesterday, and then sat here today, I'm more than likely going to have sunburn because I'm totally unprepared for it to be as hot as it is here. I think I'm in a little sun trap. I do like this style of dayboat. I think it must surely be time for me to take another dayboat out. It's been a while. If you've enjoyed the video, please could you give it a like for me? As I always say, you can share any of my videos to your social media platforms. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please do so. Each time I upload a new video, you'll get a notification. Have a good week, and I'll see you all again next Friday. Take care. Bye for now.